Here in this video, I want to show you how to open your PayPal account. Either you are from some restricted or banned country whereby you cannot enjoy all the features of PayPal, or probably you have been struggling searching online on YouTube on how you can create a PayPal account. So this video is for you. I want to show you how to open a PayPal account that can receive funds and send funds globally without any restriction or limitation. So we are going to name 4 things to open our PayPal account. First is valid email address, then valid ID card, valid Argentina number, and valid US bank account. So I want to walk you through this now. If you're very new to my YouTube channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button, give me a like on this video, and drop your comment. So step number 1 of this is ensure if you want to open this now, because I'm going to show you practically on how to do this. The first thing you have to do is the browser you have to use. If you want to do this, the browser must be a new browser. If possible, go to Play Store or Apple Store, just install a new browser, download a new browser. And if you have to use the browser you have been using before, ensure you clear all the caches and data on the browser. Clear cache, clear cookie, clear everything, clear it off from that browser. If you cannot do that, go and install new browser on your phone. When done that, then let's go. You head straight to the homepage of PayPal account using Argentina as your location. Don't use VPN, don't worry, use that your IP you are using in your country. Do not use VPN, please guys. Now just type paypal.com/AR. So you are going to get to this home interface. Now you have 2 options here, either shop online and send payment, or either to click here, or sell online and receive payment. Please guys, do not click this one. It's this one that you should click. So click here. Now click on this I am not a robot. Select all squares with bicycles. If there are none, click skip. So let me select this bicycle, this I think. Now let me click on next. Select all squares with motorcycle. Oh, the first one is even not bicycle. I made a mistake. So this is motorcycle, right? Then verify. Select all squares with buses. This is bus, this. Then click on next. Select all squares with motorcycle. This is motorcycle. Verify. Great, I get it now. Now I am to fill up this now. The first name, the middle name, the surname, valid email address, put the password here, and click on this, then click on agree. So let me quickly fill it up now. Now, after filling up this now, the next thing to do is to click on agree and create account. Then don't forget you have to click on this one. You have to tick it. Now click on agree and create account. Confirm your email with a code. Now click on this one, email you a code. Click on it. Now let's go and check the code sent to our email now. Let's go there. So here is the code sent to me now. Here is the code. Your verification code is 435792. So just check your inbox or spam folder. You will see there. Now here, let me put it. Now click on submit. You're set. Activate your account to start using PayPal. So I'll click on let's go. So this one, you can click on this or this one, but I will advise you to go for this one. So click on individual seller or sole proprietor. When you click on it, now click on this, you see drop down menu. Now click on sole proprietorship, then click on next. Oh great. Now let's scroll down. Now what's your date of birth? Now I have filled out the date of birth based on the ID I want to use, because I just want to use one random ID to train you guys, but trust me, this is working. So I put the information here now, and nationality is Argentina. Don't worry, just leave it there like that. Now the phone number, the code is this 154, which is Argentina country code. It's okay. Now this one, we have to put the valid phone number here. Don't worry, I know you will be disturbed, like how are you going to get the valid phone number and the address here? So to solve this one and this one here, now let's head straight to Google and search for Argentina address. Now here is this Argentina address. Then the first one here, we are going to click on this first one here, bestrandoms.com or something like that. Now open the tab. Oh great. Now look at the result given us from here. Great. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have to use any one of this one now. So let's say I want to use the simple one from this. Okay, let me use this one. Copy this, then look for somewhere you can paste this one. Let me use wordcounter.net. Great. So I've gotten the phone number here now. The next thing to do is this one, the last 4 number here, I need to change it. This one is 4617, right? So I'm going to change it. I'll put another random number there, 5569, right? So let me close the gap here. Are you guys following? I changed the last 4 digits. So now we have our phone number here. Let me copy the whole of this now. There's no gap in between them. Then I come back here now and I paste the number. Just leave it there like that. Now let's fill up this one and address line 1, copy, then come back here, paste postal code. So since we are not given postal code, what to do is just copy this, city, copy. Now go to Google and search for when you paste this, now say postal code. What we just pasted now, I just type postal code at the front of it, then click on search. So now look at it now. I search for this this now. Pergamino postal code. So when I search for this now, look at it. So from here now, I can select anyone from here. Or look at this place, 2700, 2700, 2700, 2754, everything here. And look at it, is 2700. So let me go for C2700. Now town/city. I will copy this one here. Copy. Now here I will paste it here. Now what remains now is province. What is the province? Province is Buenos Aires. Now let me click on this drop down menu. Oh great, I've seen it here. This is Buenos Aires Ciudad or Provincipa. Let me click on this province. Now click on next. Tell us about your business or organization. What's your business called? What your customer know you by, and what shows up on their credit card statement. So the business name now, just use your full legal name for now. That is, tick this one. If you want to use your legal name for now, you have to tick this. Or if you have a business name, you can put anyone here, random one here. Okay, I just put this one here now, this business name. What's your business name registration number? So I just crack anyone there now. And if you have any real one, just put it there, guys. What's the primary currency for your business? US dollars. Just leave it like that. What do you sell or what service do you offer? Now click on this. Now let's type this. Just type digit. When you type digit, it will give you options. Now you see digital goods, media, books, movies, music. Now click on this one. Do you have a business website? No. And if you have it, you can also provide it anyway. What's the business address? I will take this one. Use your residential address. Now I click on next. Congrats, you are all set. We've emailed you confirmation link to verify the email address you provide belongs to you. Go to home page. So let's go to home page so that then later we are going to confirm our email address. Oh great. Now look at it now. Profile verified. Confirm your email address. So let me go and check my email. Now from here I've got too many email address from here. This one, your paper verification code. Okay, I've opened this one already. Now the next one is this one. Let me open this second one. So everything written in Argentina language there, right? But if you don't forget, you have to use Gmail address. That Gmail now, if you're using Gmail now, you will see automatic to translate all the contents here. Let me see if I can get means of translating this. So I'm using Mozilla Firefox. If I'm using Google Chrome, is also that one is even more easier for me to do the translate. So thank God I'm able to get one extension like that. Now let's see how I'm going to do the translation. Now I copy every frame from here to here and I click on this. Now this is what everything is all about. So look at it now. So the first one here is confirm your email address to use your account. Confirm your email address to use your account. Hello Moraki or so. Then confirm your email. So now what they are saying here is confirm your email. This one, let me highlight again. You see that the last one is confirm your email. Thank you for opening a business account with paper. So what I'm going to do now is to click on this one now. So I will put my password here. Then I click on login. Security check. I am human. Your email has been confirmed. Now click on continue. Now you can see our email account is now confirmed. So the next thing we have to do now is to link a bank account. So you can see now, recommend for you, set up a paper checkout. So we can receive, and look at this one, money out, money. We can receive fund, we can send fund now. So easy for us. So let's go straight to this now. Link a bank account. Now at this point, we need Argentina bank account to link to this now. But don't worry, we are going to use US bank account with this now. Link to this one now, and everything will be perfect. For many of you that have been following my tutorials, you know I've made several videos on how to open virtual US bank accounts and many other stuff like that. I still want to show another one on how to get US bank account. This one is just so different, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through all this. Do you have interest for me to make US bank account, to show you how to create US bank account and link it with your paper account and show you everything? If you have interest in something like this, drop it for me in the comment box and I'm going to make another special video. After this one, another special video, but your time will determine based on your response in the comment section. If you want me to do that, drop it for me in the comment section and I'm going to make that special video on how to create US bank account, virtual account, and link it with your paper account, show you how to withdraw, show you full video again. If you have interest in this, just drop it for me in the comment box. Are you watching me from Facebook, Instagram? Make sure you give me a like on this video. Your like is very important. Please guys, I'm begging you, like this video. If you're watching me from YouTube, like this video, drop your comment. That will determine the next video I'm going to make for you to show that you really have interest in this video. So thank you guys. If you're watching me from Facebook, Instagram, make sure you follow my page, share this video, drop your comment. Thank you guys, I love you. Do you have interest in making money from crypto? I have special video I make based on crypto for you. Go and watch. It's here on crypto only. And this video you need to go and watch. I reserved this video for you. Thank you guys. You need to go and watch this video. Thank you guys, I love you. See you guys in my next videos.